Good morning. See if we can catch some fish. Okay, sounds good. I'll get out of your way. There's a few fish right in. There's fish on the bottom, but they won't take it. I can see them on the live scope, but nothing will take my. I've got a little jig on.
Oh yeah.
And they're just swimming past it. Nothing is.
Got Mr. Rock, which is right here, literally half a mile out from where we are now.
Okay.
Which is actually got 3 wrecks on it.
Right.
That side, and one this side.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, that's far down the river, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know whether you want to head out over there.
We can head out, and if it's crap, come back in.
Well, that's it. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, let's head out there. See what it's like.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, well, this is basically Minstrel Rock, where I am. All the way out to where those rocks are there, and everywhere in between.
Yeah, I turned around, you was gone. What the fuck? Oh no. Oh, where's these fucking waves come from? Mate, life's shit out here. Can't see these waves, but they are not very nice. Like this one. Yeah, I think that's probably a good plan, sir. No, he should be hopefully on the beach now if he's made good time. So, when you're free, give us a shout. See if I can find something that wants to bite. See if I can find something that wants to bite. How's it going?
It's ridiculous. Your anchor?
No,
Oh, you are.
no. We left our anchors behind.
It doesn't half hold steady. Look at that fucking TV you got there.
What's going on with your one?
I have no idea, mate. GoPro's playing up now. It won't turn on by voice command.
Oh, for crying out
Yeah,
loud.
electrics this weekend for me are fucking bollocks. Just fucking dropped down just after you like pedalled away.
Yeah.
Put the Mr. Reel down, felt the bottom, jigged it up about 2 feet, just set it up in the rod leash because I'm not fucking losing this one, and put it down, looked up and saw it banging away, picked it up, nothing.
Well, we'll see. Hopefully we'll get a nice weather window.
There's someone on the beach with a roof tent.
Yeah, there's a guy right next to me with a Land Rover.
Yeah, I parked right next to you. I assume that was your van.
Yeah, that's me in the monster.
Fuck, it's way bigger in real life than it looks in the picture.
Right, we'll make our way back then, I suppose. You want to go the other side of here?
Well, if you go the other side of here, I might chuck a lure around the other side of these rocks for a bit, see what happens. If nothing happens there, there's another big reef just the other side.
We've all jinxed ourselves with new gear and none of it works.
Actually where the dive hut is off of Kayak, so I've gone past Porthoustock, gone to the next coat along. I'm just off of there. I'm going to try for some mackerel here in a minute.
Yeah. I haven't blanked either.
Hey! Oh, here you go, Felix here now. Pretty dire when you've got to rely on that to blanket it.
Get it, Harley.
Times are fucking hard, aren't they? What did you do? I drove 450 miles for a mackerel.
Yeah, for a mackerel.
No blank.
What is it, Harley?
It's a mackerel. Really, really good. And the weight. Oh, hang on. I've got another mackerel. The way there was really, really good, and the way back was phenomenal. Yeah. What have I got? I've got one of them things as well. Yeah. Oh.
Got something in there, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
It's mackerel, I reckon.
Where's that feathers?
Yeah, just top. Oh, that's gone.
Ah, motherfucker.
Just tiny, tiny little sabikis.
I might stick my small ones on. I've got big ones on at the moment.
Pardon? Yeah. Oh. But what I've done is, oh really? It's look how small that one is. That's perfect, last babe.
Yeah, man. I'm easy. I'm up for a break. I could do with taking a piss and getting something to eat. And yeah, I'm also up for getting seeing if we can get a bit more bait.
I've got another one.
Faking it, 'cause as soon as you cast him out and leave flat line, he dives straight down. Or he's just really fucking tired. It's the prime time for a fucking massive fish to smash him.
Yeah, I'm just wondering where all the bass are this time.
Yeah. You'd smashed it by now, hadn't you?
Oh, me and
The first one was the big one around the corner, wasn't it?
me and the Zonk are going to have words later. I want to know why he's not playing ball today. Oh, fuck me.